All right, here we go. And well, this is my first in a series of videos about Python and basic Python. So we're just gonna dive right in. I'm not exactly sure where to start. My name is Nathan Moses with G23, and let's go. Okay, so yeah, let's start. We're first gonna go to DreamPy. Duh. Yeah, DreamPy. It'll be the first. Okay, so this is the DreamPy shell. There are many other shells of Python IDEs that you can use, including Visual Studio Code, Notepad++, Atom, PyCharm, Anaconda. But this really is my favorite for simple beginners, and I really favor this. So we're going to download it, and then we come here with so. Alright, so now we're gonna just download here Windows, Mac, and Linux. I'm having Windows, but you just choose whatever you have. Alright, we're gonna save this. Alright, and then you have to click open when done. You could click open as well. So we're literally waiting here. And there you go. Unpacking. Alright, so first what you want to click say next. Then just ignore this and say install. And then next. Finish. So you were done with it and you have now installed it. So what you want to do is go to your start page and then type DreamPy and you should see it right over here. You want to click on this and it's loading. There it is. So this is DreamPy and just to test it you should so I'm going to test it and you can test it at the same time and let's see if we get the same thing. So first type 1 plus 1, we get 2. Type x equal to 7 and then x plus 2 and then to enter to run a code just press control enter. X plus 2 is 9, so x is 7 and x plus 2 or 7 plus 2 is 9. And you have now downloaded DreamPy. And this is it. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.